Definitely gonna. Ooh, she's pretty. Hi. It looks pretty greasy, and that's because there's a lot of grease in it. I didn't trim it or anything. I just, because I don't know how to do that, and I'm not trying to tuck my hair up. I'm learning, but I'm not there yet, and I'm not gonna play with myself like that. We're just going to put this up in this ponytail that I got off Amazon. I think it was 15 bucks, 30 inches. We'll see how it turns out. But is the hair straight out the pack. I got this in the color 1B. Oh, she is pretty. I'm not gonna do too much manipulation to her. I'm literally just going to slap it on. I love that it's a drawstring. And it has a comb at the top and a comb at the bottom. And I'm literally gonna put it right here at the top of my bun and at the bottom. Make sure it's nice and in there. And then, uh-oh. Lord, I done lost the drawstring. Okay. Pro tip, hang on to the drawstring. I found it, but it's tangled, Lord. Okay. So here we are. Oh. Both combs are in, and I'm pulling this as tightly as it will go. I'm trying to get this right and tight. Definitely gonna. Ooh, she's pretty. Hi. Oh, hold on. Ooh, love her. Yes, Isabella. Okay. All right, let me just make her cute because right now she needs some help. Okay, I grabbed some bobby pins. And now I'm going to grab a relatively small piece of hair from the back. And I'm just going to take it around the front. Around town. went to dinner with my dad. I got this cute new bag. Got these shoes to match. These are Rough One. This is Dolce & Gabbana.